Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about coconut oil. I actually did this video about 4 years ago. It was my very first YouTube video, and then I never did anything again until recently. So I kept seeing people on Facebook posting these like DIY, Pinterest, at home face masks and all this weird stuff, and almost all of them incorporated coconut oil in them. And I was like, oh my god, that's so bad for your skin. So I made some rude post about how it was stupid to put food on your face and how bad coconut oil was for your skin. And I had like a Facebook uproar. So I decided to make a video explaining to people why it's crap to put coconut oil on your skin, and it was really poorly done and I was super awkward. So I wanted to redo it for you guys today and give you all that good information again without me saying every 5 seconds. So before I start completely bashing coconut oil, I will say a couple of good things about it. It does have mild anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial properties, and a lot of people swear by it for their eczema. So for you guys to understand why I hate coconut oil so much for the skin, I have to first explain to you the comedogenic scale. So you can actually go on Google and type in any oil, say jojoba oil, and then put comedogenic scale, and it will pop up for you. And there's a bunch of really good websites that have complete lists of all the different oils, what they're good for, what they're bad for, and where they sit on the comedogenic scale. So it's from 0 to 5. 0 would be there's no chance of it breaking you out. It's not pore clogging at all. 5 would be, oh my gosh, even if you're not acne prone, it's gonna break you out. 3 is like, probably gonna give you some pimples, especially if you're acne prone. I try to stay from 0 to 2. I do tend to be a little acne prone, but I can totally still get away with something that's a 2 on the scale and not have any problems. So here it comes. Here's why I hate coconut oil so much for the face. It is a 4 on the comedogenic scale. A 4. That's terrible. There's so many things that are 10 billion times better for your skin and aren't a 4. So not only that, but it can be really irritating for people with rosacea, and it's actually an anti-humectant, which means instead of drawing moisture into the skin, it's actually gonna push moisture away from the skin. So any product that we have that is a humectant is fabulous because we want our skin to be hydrated, plumped up. Anti-humectant, bad, so bad. So since I bashed coconut oil, I want to give you guys a couple different options for oils that are really good for your skin, because I'm really big into learning about different oils, what they do, who they're good for, where they sit on the scale, and all of that skin nerd stuff. So the first oil that I'm gonna talk to you guys about today is pomegranate oil. It sits at a 1 on the comedogenic scale. It is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It has vitamins C, B1, B2 in it. It helps regenerate your cells. It's anti-aging, and it actually helps balance the pH of your skin. So the second oil that I wanted to talk to you guys about is sea buckthorn oil. I actually see it in skincare products pretty often. It's a really good ingredient to look for, and it sits at a 1 on the comedogenic scale. It's a really deeply penetrating oil. It helps calm down inflammation, helps calm down redness, it helps regenerate your skin cells, and the best part of it is it's a humectant. So unlike coconut oil, it's gonna really help draw moisture into the skin, plump it up, smooth out any fine lines and wrinkles because of that, and really keep your skin hydrated. The last oil that I want to talk to you guys about today is jojoba oil. So jojoba oil is, I think, the holy grail of oils. It is the most like skin's natural sebum, skin's natural oil. It actually sits at a 2 on the scale, but it is also fabulous for balancing out acne prone skin. I actually mostly recommend it to acne prone skin, as a matter of fact, because of its ability to balance out the skin's natural oils. So even though it's a 2 on the scale, don't be scared of it. If you're acne prone, a 2 isn't really that high. And it's good for dry skin as well and normal skin, but it is fabulous for acne prone skin. I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments if you also hate coconut oil on your face, or if you love it too. I'd love to hear that as well. And let me know if you guys are interested in seeing more videos about different oils and what they're good for. Like I said, I really nerd out on that. So if you guys are interested in it, I'd love to hear. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys so much.